Hello my dear students, I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to discuss adaptation in animals living in desert. Okay, so this is given on page number 29 and we are going to continue this topic. As I have already told you that animals are living in each and every corner of this world. Okay, doesn't matter what is the environment, all the adaptation they bring in their body and they comfortably live in that environment. In the same way, desert is also the part of the land and there the different kind of animals are living. Okay, and according to that harsh condition of that environment, they have adapted some of the features, okay, that make them able to survive in that climate. Okay, so here you are seeing many animals are shown. They are living in desert. Mostly we are knowing camel, which is also known as the ship of the desert, scorpion, desert fox, snake, and a lot of animals are living in desert. So what adaptation they have brought? You all are knowing there are not very much vegetation is present in the desert. Then what they used to eat? Okay, the less of water is also the one of the problem in the desert. Okay, we can say there is a less amount of water available in desert. So how they used to survive in that harsh climate, we are going to discuss about that. But before that, let's understand one thing. The desert is mostly made up of the sandy soil, and the sandy soil become very hot due to the sun. Okay, in the daytime it is very hot during the daytime, and it is very cold in the night time also. Okay, so in the night they have to protect themselves from very much cold environment, and opposite of that, in the daytime they have to protect from the hot environment also. Okay, so this is the speciality of the desert. In the daytime it is very hot, and in the night time it is very cold also. So let's discuss some of the common adaptation which is found in some of the animals. First of all, animals dig and make the burrow. Why? Because if they are digging the ground and making the burrow, they can protect their body from very much hot environment. Okay. Second thing, the desert animals always become active during morning time and evening time, and during whole day they used to hide themselves under the sand. Okay, they make the burrow, that means hole in the ground, and they hide their body so that they can protect from the severe cold or hot climate. Second thing, these animals don't get very much food in desert, so whatever they are eating, they extract the water from that only. Okay, whatever food they are eating and whatever amount of water is stored in that food, they use that water to maintain the water level in their body, because there is a less amount of water also present in the desert. Okay, next we will talk about the camel. Camel is the very magical animal, we can say, which is having a lot of adaptation, and they are living in desert so comfortably. So there are various things which we will discuss about the camel later on. Okay, next, some of the animals like a scorpion, their body is covered with a hard coverage, okay, so that the water can not lost, because first of all they are having less water and that they have to protect, so their body is covered with a hard shell so that the water will not escape from their body. Okay, now let's discuss the adaptation which is found in the camel. Camel is one of the best example for the desert animals. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. First of all, eyelashes. If you will see eyelashes, okay, their eyelashes are very long. Why? Because they are living in a desert, and you all are knowing in desert, due to the wind, a lot of sand can enter in their eyes. So protect the entrance of the sand in their eyes. Okay, their eyelashes are very long, because if the eyelashes will be long, they will stop the sand falling going into the eyes. Next, their hair on the body. Their hair on the body protect the water loss from their body. Okay, the lot of hair also protect from the hot environment. Next, their hump. As you can see, this is the hump. Okay, this is the hump. This hump is adapted to store the fat in that. because for a long time you must have heard about the camel. They can survive without food and water for so many days. Why? Because they used to store fat in hump, and when they are not getting food, they use this fat to get the energy. Okay, next their leg is very very long, so that the distance between the ground to the body can be more. Okay, if the distance between the body and ground will be more, they will not feel very much hot as well as cold in the night. Next is their mouth is very leathery. Why? Because they have to eat those plants which grow in desert, and in desert plant most of them have spines. Okay, thorn. If they will not have paddy mouth, then it can pierce in their mouth and they cannot eat the leaf. So they can easily eat the leaf which is growing in the desert, protecting their mouth from the spines also. That's why their mouth is leathery. Next is their nostril. Okay, their nose is having this special features. When they want, they can close it. Okay, we are also having the nostril, but we cannot, if we have to close it, we have to press it. Okay, otherwise we cannot shrink it. But camel can shrink it, so that the entering of the sand particle can be stopped. Whenever they feel I have to stop the entrance of the sand, they can close the nostril. This is the speciality of this camel. Next is their padded feet. Okay, if you are seeing, you can see their feet is padded, and these feet protect them from sinking into the sand. They don't use to sink. They can easily move in desert. Okay, so these are the adaptation found in the camel. Okay, that's why they can easily survive in that harsh climate. The last adaptation that I am going to explain about the desert animal is estivation. When the climate become very very hot and it is very tough to save their body in that harsh condition, then what they do, they go in estivation period. That means this is a long sleep. Okay, they used to eat a lot of food, and for some time they used to sleep in this summer season. Okay, this is known as estivation. This is also the adaptation found in the desert animal. Okay, in the summer season, when they are not able to protect their body from the harsh climate, then simply they used to sleep for a long period of time, which is known as estivation. So these are some of the adaptation which is found in the desert animal that make them comfortable to survive in that harsh condition. I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much for watching.